had a really big day today, and I posted a video last week and also a post on my Twitter saying that I think the top is probably in for Nvidia. And I want to go over in this video why even after that big day today, even after we got a lot of bullish flow in this morning, I still stand by my assessment. I think that this is going to be very important so that you guys can get an understanding of what I'm thinking throughout the week, not just after the candles close, because what we're mainly trying to focus on here is the bigger time frame. I don't care what happens within the next couple of days. I'm focusing on what's the broader trend and what has strength right now for the next 3 to 6 months. Do not have a short position or any puts, nothing. I'm just monitoring this trade and I'm just trying to share with you guys what I'm seeing. You can see that the BX trender, which is relative strength, is making lower highs. This means that we're starting to approach the top of that next pivot down, like hitting the top of a roller coaster. There's not enough momentum to continue to push us up. You can see that last time this occurred, price ended up pulling back about 20% before continuing with the next move up about 81%. So I'm not saying that Nvidia is going to zero. I don't think that Nvidia is going to even break $100 in the next couple of months. I just think that there's a pretty good chance that price could sell back off to 115, 110, and 105. And I don't want to be in Nvidia until big money is in Nvidia. And you can see that with relative strength getting pulled out 3 weeks in a row, they're not really behind it right now. Like, that's just being objective. Now, this could change depending upon what happens this week. And this morning, I did eat my words for a little bit. As soon as the market opened, you can see on the right side of your screen here, bullish flow, bullish flow, bullish flow, bullish flow. I mean, like, we completely ripped from about 125 pre-market up to highs of $130. But what's happening? There wasn't enough to continue to step in. There wasn't enough to continue to push this thing higher. And so therefore we ended up rejecting at 129 and now we're pulling back to test this level. So even though we are seeing a good bounce here, what I'm more so focused on is to watch what happens on the weekly BX trender. Because if this Friday we close and the weekly BX trender, even if price is up around 131, 132, 134, even if we're up there, there's not enough money coming in to push through that resistance level. Think about it. Even if you just entered a position here, up to highs, up to 150, that's a 16% return. That's awesome. But just back down to like our support level or our market bias is about a 16% drop. So that is a 1-to-1 risk versus reward ratio, which in my opinion is not bad if you can consistently hit that, but it's definitely not good if your win rate is not more than 80%. As you can see here, my win rate is only 65%. I'll continue to monitor this in the coming week. Stay objective. Do not fall in love with positions. Do not fall in love with a thesis. Only trade what's in front of you and what big money is also trading, because even if you think that a company is undervalued or whatever, other people have to step in order to make the stock move. You can't make it move, so it doesn't matter what we think. We need to be doing what they're doing. How I trade, go ahead and check out all of our courses. They're completely free. The link is in the description, going over everything for beginners. We focus on people who work full-time jobs, have full-time careers, who are looking to stop trading all of their time for money and learn to build a more leverageable skill, spending 30 minutes a day and 1 hour on Sundays, building out their charts and learning this exact strategy. So if you do want to work with me every day, you can join the private academy. The link will be in the description. Thank you guys for all the support, and I'll see you next time.